Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarilla, consultant homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now coming into the conventional part. If you're taking the conventional part for fibroids, it can be divided into primary oral contraceptives. Remember that oral contraceptives, like if they are giving estrogen or progesterone, they will have certain side effects. Primarily, they cannot alter or they cannot, cure the problem of the fibroid. First thing. Second thing, the relief is very temporary. As much as using your POP pills or your COC pills, they'll only work only when they are taken inside. As soon as you stop, the problem will again reoccur. And not only that, they have prevalent side effects, like they can cause more intermenstrual bleeding. And not only that, sometimes these oral contraceptives can make the fibrous tissue or the fibroid enlarge in certain cases because of the hyperestrogenic state or the hormonal fluctuation. So is the same with the progesterone. As I already told you, progesterone is very important for mitosis or cell division in the fibrosis. Certain section of people, after taking their POP pills, the fibroid will increase in size. So they have their proper side effects. GnRH antagonist will help you to shrink the fibroid. But what are the side effects of this? They will give you temporary menopause-like condition where you will be experiencing hot flashes and also you will be experiencing menopausal symptoms for a shorter period of time. And if you stop this, they will again reoccur. Then coming into the NSAIDs or non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. If you are experiencing pain in the fibroid, then they will give you this non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. But remember that if you are taking NSAIDs, your gut bacteria will be destroyed. Primary thing, there will be alteration in your gut bacteria. Even if you are eating healthy, also it will not be absorbed properly. And also in many people, if they are consuming for a longer period of time, will lead into acute gastritis. So along with this, you also have to take proton pump inhibitors. If you stop it, the pain will stop. Remember, it is not curing the pain. It is just not making you feel the pain. So NSAIDs will help you in pain relieving, but they have their own side effects. Next, in conventional treatment part, we have two kinds of surgeries. First one is the myomectomy and next one is the hysterectomy. When they do myomectomy is that they are not touching any part of the uterus, only the problematic area or only where there is fibroid, they will be removing it. But remember, they are just removing the fibroid, but they are not removing the trigger or the cause of it. Myomectomy is a safer part where they will be removing only the fibroid, but your fertility can be increased or your fertility can be increased with the medications. But in hysterectomy, what happens is that they are removing the whole uterus where your fertility issues will arise. And not only that, myomectomy and hysterectomy will have their own surgical complications if not done properly. And not only that, they are just removing the cause, they are not removing the trigger of it. And by doing hysterectomy, you will be experiencing menopausal symptoms very early in life, which will lead into osteoporosis. Now coming into the homeopathic treatment part of fibroids. So why should we opt for homeopathy? First one, it is non-invasive. There is no instrumentation being put into your abdomen while giving homeopathic treatment. So it is non-invasive. We are not doing any invasive treatments. Second thing, fibroid shrinkage. By the medication that we give, because it does not have any synthetic hormones, it will help in shrinking the fibroid. Hormonal balance, yes, by giving proper medication, by giving medication that is tailor-made for you, it will alter the hormonal disruption and making it stable. So the fibroid is also shrinking, your hormones are also proper and the prognosis is not bad. It is good. It is going into recovery. Then it regulates the menstrual cycle because the hormones are balanced. It prevents recurrences. This is the beautiful part of homeopathy where in conventional treatment, you are just removing whatever is there, but you're not putting a stop to the trigger. You're giving hormonal pills to balance the hormones, but you're not putting a stop to the trigger, which can be obesity or which can be increase in insulin resistance, which can be increase in ECM, anything, any of the causes or any of the risk factors. You're not addressing that. You're just palliating or managing the case. Whereas in homeopathy, it will help in preventing the recurrences. And also it is holistic, it is timely, it will help you in preventing fibroids, it help you in curing and also relieving the pain symptoms that you have without any extra medication. Like you don't have to take a proton pump inhibitor when you're taking homeopathic medications, because it will not alter your gut microbiome and also not cause any sort of problem in your GIT tract. Let's get into the consultation part at Fidicus Homeopathy. Here at Fidicus we have two kinds of consultations: online consultation and offline consultation. In online consultation, we have two options, which is audio consultation and video consultation. If you are not staying anywhere near the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can get in touch with the given number. You can consult us through the audio call or through the video call. We will get in touch with you. You can share your investigations with us and we will give you doctor consultation. And not only that, we will be providing you with higher grade top rated medicines which will be delivered directly to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, it will take about 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, it can take up to 3 to 5 business days. And apart anywhere from this, it can take up to 4 to 8 business days for your medicine to be delivered at your doorstep. If you're staying near the nearest branch, you can come and contact us in person, where we will be giving you doctor consultation. If you're watching this video and you're suffering from fibroids and you want to cure it, you can consult us at Fidicus Homeopathy. You can consult us through WhatsApp, call or ping a message through this number. If you're suffering from fibroids and you want to relieve it and cure it and you have homeopathic physicians near you, why do you want to opt for Fidicus Homeopathy? Here at Fidicus, it is highest chance of health and we follow these three principles. First is the highest success rate that we experience. Second is the transparent treatment. There is no gray area with the patient. It's always black and white, where we give you what sort of plan we are following. And not only that, the personal care here at Fidicus is top notch. So if you want to opt for homeopathy, try choosing Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.